Noise bandwidth. The total noise corrupting a signal in a circuit results from all of the frequency components that fall in the bandwidth of the circuit. Considering a multipole circuit having the output noise spectrum shown in figure A, since the noise components above omega p1 are not negligible, here you can see in this figure A output noise spectrum of a circuit, B concept of noise bandwidth. The total output noise must be evaluated by calculating the total area under the spatial density. Vn square out dot bar is equals to integrals 0 to infinity Vn square out df bar. However, depicted in figure B, it is sometimes helpful to represent the total noise simply as V out square or Bn, where the bandwidth Bn is chosen such that V naught square dot Bn equal to integral 0 to infinity Vn square out df bar, called the noise bandwidth. Bn allows a fair comparison of circuits that exhibits the same low frequency noise V0 square but differential high frequency transfer functions as exercise. The reader can prove that the noise bandwidth of a one pole system is equal to pi by 2 times the pole frequency. Thank you.